and welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on cloud security. Whether you're just starting out in IT or already have some experience, this session is designed to give you so grab a notebook or sit back and relax as we unravel these concepts step by step. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is cloud security? Cloud security refers to the technologies, policies, controls, and practices that protect data, applications, and systems in the cloud. Think of it as a digital fortress that safeguards sensitive information, ensures compliance with regulations, and prevents unauthorized access. But why does this matter so much? With the increasing shift to cloud computing, businesses store everything from customer data to critical operations online. Without robust security measures, these assets are vulnerable to cyberattacks, breaches, and data loss. That's where cloud security steps in, protecting both the business and its customers. Now that we know what cloud security is, let's dive into the importance of security in the cloud. Imagine a business storing customer payment details on the cloud. Without proper security, a cyberattack could compromise that data, leading to financial losses and a damaged reputation. The cloud also hosts applications and services used by millions of people daily. If these services are disrupted due to a security breach, it could affect not just one company but entire industries. Moreover, many organizations need to comply with legal regulations, such as GDPR or HIPAA, which demand strong data protection practices. In short, cloud security is essential for ensuring trust, continuity, and compliance in an increasingly digital world. Here's a concept that's fundamental to cloud security: the shared responsibility model. When you use the cloud, security is a shared responsibility between the cloud provider and you, the customer. Let's break this down. Cloud providers, like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, are responsible for the security of the cloud. You, as the customer, are responsible for the security in the cloud. This includes securing your data, applications, and any custom configurations. This includes physical data centers, servers, and the foundational infrastructure. Think of it like renting an apartment. The landlord provides a secure building, but it's up to you to lock your doors, install a security system, or safeguard your valuables. Understanding this model is crucial because misconfigurations by customers are one of the leading causes of cloud security incidents. In Lesson 2, we have taken a closer look at the three main cloud service models: Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS. You can make reference to Lesson 2. Now, let's explore how security considerations vary depending on the cloud deployment model you choose. Public cloud. In a public cloud, resources are shared among multiple organizations, making it cost-effective. However, it's critical to ensure data encryption and access controls to maintain privacy. Examples include AWS, Google Cloud, and Microsoft Azure. Private cloud. A private cloud is dedicated to a single organization, offering enhanced control and security. It's ideal for organizations like banking or healthcare, where regulatory compliance is strict. However, it's more expensive to maintain. Hybrid cloud. Hybrid clouds combine public and private environments. While this offers flexibility, it also introduces complexity. Ensuring secure data transfer between the two environments is crucial. Community cloud. Community clouds are shared by organizations with similar goals or compliance requirements, like government agencies. Security policies are typically tailored to meet the group's needs. Now that we've covered the basics of cloud security, the importance of protecting assets, the shared responsibility model, and how service and deployment models impact security, you're one step closer to mastering cloud computing. Cloud security is not just a tech problem, it's a business priority. Always understand your responsibilities under the shared responsibility model. Choose the right service and deployment model based on your organization's needs. By staying informed and proactive, you can make the most of the cloud while keeping your data safe. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching to the end. See you in the next video.